The voltage tells you what kind of electrical pressure the device needs, the amperage tells you how many electrons need to flow through it, and the wattage tells you how much electrical energy it will convert into other forms of energy, like light, heat, or motion. Different countries around the world use different standard voltages. That's why when you travel to other countries, you sometimes need special adapters or converters for your electronic devices. The charger has special circuits inside that automatically adjust to whatever voltage is being provided. Now, you might wonder why we have these different measurements at all. I mean, why not just have one number that tells you everything about electricity? Well, it's because electricity can behave in different ways depending on what you're trying to do with it. Sometimes you need high voltage but low amps, like in your TV tube. Sometimes you need low voltage but high amps, like when jump-starting a car battery. And sometimes you need to know exactly how much total energy is being used, which is where watts come in. And you might want to know how much total energy it's using to do work, like climbing a hill, which is like watts. Understanding these concepts can help you make better decisions about the electrical devices that you're using. For example, if you're trying to save money on your electric bill, you want to pay attention to watts, because that's what you're actually paying for. The electric company charges you for the total amount of electrical energy that you use, measured in kilowatt hours. And a kilowatt is 1,000 watts, and a kilowatt hour is using 1,000 watts for 1 hour. So, if you have a 100 watt light bulb that you leave on for 10 hours, that's 1,000 watt hours, or 1 kilowatt hour. If you have a 1,000 watt microwave that you use for 1 hour total during the month, that's also 1 kilowatt hour. Same amount of energy, just used differently. This is why LED light bulbs are so much more efficient than old incandescent light bulbs. An old 60 watt incandescent bulb and a 10 watt LED bulb might produce the same amount of light, but the LED uses 6 times less electrical energy. Over time, that adds up to significant savings on your electric bill. So, let's recap this whole electrical adventure. Volts are like the pressure or push that makes electrons want to move through wires. Watts are like how much electrical energy is actually being used or converted into other forms of energy. They're all related by the simple equation. Volts times amps equals watts. Now go forth and impress people with your newfound electrical wisdom.